hella dirty right now too.
All right, doing Riley's coilovers today. You hyped up?
Got the old ones out? Yes, sir. Got some racelands, baby.
Here they are.
Brand new. Got them for $400 off of Facebook Market. Even got 4 50mm spacers we're gonna put on. Shit, yeah, dude.
So here's the stock strut. So, we had to take the tie rod off. Or, not the tie rod. The sway bar end link. And then just this thing that holds the strut in from the bottom. And then just 3 bolts at top. BMWs are like the easiest coilovers ever. All right. Got the front coilover in, the first one. Just tightening everything down, and then move on to this one, and then the back. Got this maxed high because Riley doesn't want to be a hot boy.
What?
Like me.
Boy.
He wants to daily it or something. Got the backs in and the new struts in. All you gotta do for the back is just take the bolt out that connects to here and here, and then just pull it down, pull the spring out. The strut has 2 bolts back there, and on the left side where he's working right now.
Front and back. And I think that fitment would be nice.
There you go. These racelands are almost max high, but it's still dropped it quite a bit.
I mean,
well, dude, it's pretty good.
I like it.
Box of old crap.
I like it.
What do you think about your racelands?
It's good. It looks good. Hopefully they last.
Just for reference, I have the racelands on my e46 too, and these are like maxed out. Sorry, this car's like super dirty, but that's about what maxed out looks like. I have spacers in the front and then no spacers in the rear. What do you think, Riley? One day of driving on them.
Perfect. Ride's good.